Okay, bring it in for a sec. We're gonna see how these yahoos are doing. Oh shit! It's what we call Hollywood.
Did you guys see them rescue that dog?
No.
Here.
Yes, it was stuck on the
Hold that net for a second.
dog was yelping.
The one. This is the one. Keep it. Keep it. I'm gonna chase it. Keep it. Give it a little. Feed it just a little bit of line. Feed it just a little bit of line. There you go. Oh. Easy, easy. Rod tip up in your chest.
Oh shoot! Get back here.
Good.
No, 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 no.
Get it. Tension, 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 tension.
That's a good fish. Shit.
I'm gonna just keep spinning it. I'm gonna just keep spinning it. Get him away. There you go. Easy does it. Easy does it. Yep. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Don't let him back in that wood. There you go. Get him. Get him. Get him. Reel. Reel.
Try it.
Reel.
Reel?
Or strip. Just get tension. Just get tension.
I got tension.
We're gonna swing.
Watch it this way.
Yep.
Alright,
Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Yep. Bring him. Bring him. Strip. 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 Strip.
Try it.
There you go. There you go. There's a little bit of wood. Bring him. Bring him. Strip. 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 That's yeah. Strip. 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 Strip.
I'm trying.
There you go.
Nice, man. Pretty. Oh my gosh.
Get that tight right there. Don't worry about that. There you go. Oh, nice, dude. Watch, 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 watch. It's pinning. It's pinning, it's pinning, it's easy. Yep, there you go, there you go, there you go. He's gonna go that way. There you go. Perfect. Well done.
Woo.
Nice cut
There we
bow.
go.
Nice cut bow. The cut bow, so he's got a little bit of cut, a little bit of rainbow in him, but then he also has the cut jaw from the cut throat.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We can get a. Oh yeah. There we go. We got it. That's okay.
There you go. Nice. In the chest, in the chest.
What? Yes. Woo!
Nice, bud.
Yeah. Beautiful rainbow. Oh, that Sharpie came in handy.
When in doubt, sharp it up. You got your GoPro going?
Yeah, you want to get a close-up on him? Yeah, it looks really good whenever we do this close-ups. I mean, it actually looks amazing. Yep, alright, we got it. Yep.
Yes. Ooh,
No,
we
you
go.
don't.
There we go. Strip, strip. Rod tip
Try
up.
it.
Yep, I'm gonna spin you.